the RNC Line Triathlon. So we need another volunteer from the audience. Today's their brave, smart, not jelly enough to become a member of the Marine Patrol. Okay, well, looking for a very specific volunteer over here. Let me see, we got one. We need an adult player. Would you please help me out here? I think we have a gentleman right there.
Si JD.
Please join us here to say, sir, come on. Yes, sir. Well, this is a contest of strength and agility. It's going to be fun, folks. Hello, sir. What's your name? Axel, where are you from? From Bataan. Are you ready to be a sea lion? Okay, come with me, right here on the stage.
Lalangoy din yan.
Step, almost there. Here we are. Well, Axel, before anything else, I would like to be the champion of the RNC Line Triathlon. You are in a contest of strength and agility, and we're going to see if you know what it takes to become a member of the Marine Patrol, okay? So the rule of this competition is whatever Kai does, you're going to do as well. Alright? Okay, exciting, alright? How about you, Kai? You ready? Not yet. It's like Kai needs to warm up. Gagawin mo lang kung gagawin ni Kai. Good job. Axel, your turn. Your turn. Okay, Sky, you have done your best. That's what counts. Congratulations, Sky. Successfully defended your title as the champion of the Fire Sea Triathlon. Great job. Axel, don't be so bad. You know why bakit ka natalo? Because Sky sucked, you did not. Okay lang, medyo basara naman ang konti. Pero, just stay right there. So, Sky, bigyan ba natin siya ng medyo? No?
Kiss. No.
Fish.
Oh, fish daw.
Well, Axel, Kai has agreed, and he would like you to have